So here we have two cylindrical objects. One of them is brass with a wooden insert and the other one is wooden with a brass insert. They're made to be exactly the same dimensions. You can see same diameter, same height, and they're actually very close in mass. The one is 409 and the other one is 406 grams. So these two identical cylinders are going to be rolled down the slope, and we'll see what happens. Do they roll at the same speed, or does one roll faster than the other? And the question is why. So let's see. So I'll just put them here, hold them up to there at the starting point. 3, 2, 1, place your bets. And the one with the wood on the outside reaches the end first. Try that again. Swap the positions, just in case there's some minor difference in the slope. 3, 2, 1. And the one with the wood on the outside wins again. Just once more. 3, 2, 1. And again, swap positions. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Now work out why.